It's November's Cohorted. If you want to see what's in my box, then please keep watching. Hi guys, it's Leah. Welcome to my channel. Hope everybody is feeling very, very well. Today we're going to look at November's Cohorted. For those of you that do not know, this is a monthly subscription. It will cost £39.99 per month. Now, I know that seems quite high end, but then you do get some luxury high-end products, which I really like. I do like Cohorted. I'm not that keen when it's one brand in the whole box. I prefer a mixed box, but nevertheless, I do use the products, so it speaks for a lot. Okay, so let's take a look. I always get excited when I get this box. It just screams luxurious. So with your box, you always get a glossy booklet. The value of this month's box is a whopping £332.55. And it looks like the theme of this box is a company called Verso. Can't say I've heard of them myself. So we've got a lot of products, and I will be as quick as I can to go through them. Okie dokie, in this book it gives you a description of the item as well as the cost. So it does take me a little while to figure out what description goes with what product, but we'll be alright. Okie dokie, so looks like the first product. This is a Verso antitoxin. It's a turmeric booster. They're calling it a number 4 antitoxin turmeric booster. You get 30 mils. Wow, and this has a recommended of £79. So let's have a look for that. So it looks like it's this one. So just a brief thing of what it actually does. So turmeric protects the skin and decreases inflammation, while vitamin E works to block damaging free radicals from the surface of the skin. Tiny microleagues deliver powerful antioxidants and hyperhydration. This light gel serum is perfect for skin that tends to become red, dull, damaged and uneven. It leaves the skin smooth, subtle and soft. To use morning and or evening, apply a few drops on cleansed skin on the face. Layer with Verso day cream and or night cream if needed. I cannot believe this is £80. Let's have a quick look. Jesus. Okay. So I do like the packaging. It is a glass bottle and it looks like it's probably got one of those dripper type things. Yes, it does. It smells lovely. I'm just going to pop a little bit on. Gorgeous. That's gorgeous, and it rubs in flawlessly and so easy. There's no stickiness, there's no residue, and the smell is absolutely incredible. Absolutely love the smell of this. Okie dokie, so that is the first product. Next we have, it's called a number 5, it's Extra Nourish Eye Cream. You get 20 ml and this has a recommended of £60. This is a rich formula with moisturising and nutrient benefits that provides instant and long-term nutrition to the delicate skin around the eyes, enhancing the skin's barrier while ensuring a healthy moisture level. Gently apply a thin layer around your eye area to take full advantage of this cream's moisture and nutrients benefits. Okay, so you get quite a big thingy, big tube, 20 ml. It's got one of these little pointed things. Not much smell. But again, this rubs in beautifully. And I can see that you would literally need the tiniest amount of that. So again, I really do look forward to trying it. Would I pay £60 for it? Don't think so. Okay, so that's that one. So next we have a number 4. This is a facial serum. It's called a super facial serum. This is a 10ml size, and the recommended of this is £36.70. It's a rich formulated serum for daily use as a standalone product or in combination with other Verso skincare products. Right, so here is number 4. This is the facial serum. I'll tell you why it's so confusing, because you're looking for something like this, but it turns out to be a tube of like this. So hence why it's taking me a little bit longer just to find which serums and which products are for which. Right, this is sealed. I'm not going to open this because I've got quite a few products on the go already, so I don't really want to be opening things that I don't need to yet. It's 150ml and the recommended price is £35. This is a Verso Acne Deep Cleansing Exfoliation Facial Cleanser, enhanced with high concentration of anti-inflammatory salicylic acid for a thorough cleansing of the skin prone to acne and blemishes. Can't say that I am prone to acne, but we'll still use it. So this is the product here. Can't smell much from that at all. Hardly anything, so I'm not sure, but I'll give it a go. It seems quite thick and sort of gel-like, not watery. Okay, look forward to trying that. Okay, next we have the number 2. This is a day cream. This has a retinol. It's 15ml and this will cost £28.50. It's a moisturising and rejuvenating day cream with retinol 8, a stabilised vitamin A complex, which is 8 times more effective than the standard retinol. So let's have a look. This one. Pop that on, as it says, the day cream. This is an intensive nourishing cream for extra moisture and long-term hydration, targeted to improve skin barrier performance and reduce the fine lines and wrinkles and redness. This is again 10ml. This is a £26.35 product, and that would be this one. So this says gently spread a few drops of this light gel serum over your face. Layer this with your Verso day or night cream if needed. A moisturising and barrier repairing serum to provide instant long-term hydration of dry skin and the reinforcement of the skin's barrier by effectively preventing the skin from drying out. This serum keeps the skin smooth and rejuvenated. We have number 5. This is a super eye serum. This has retinol. It's a 7ml product and this will cost £18.70. What's that one? This is a firm and smoothing super eye serum with retinol 8 that smooths the appearance of wrinkles, strengthens the skin barrier and decreases puffiness and dark circles. Its formula is clinically proven to reduce pigmentation and supply the skin with more energy and oxygen, resulting in finer, more radiant looking skin. Hyaluronic acid improves skin elasticity and makes skin plump and firm. So I look forward to trying that. And as you can see from my eyes, I could certainly do with some help. This is a number 8 hydration mask. This is a £15 deep hydration face mask. It contains patented artificial moisturising factor AMF with nanoparticle structure, has powerful moisture absorption ability. Sorry, I can't speak. Apply the gel mask sheet evenly on your face, keeping the eyes and mouth clear. Leave the mask on for approximately 20 minutes and then gently remove from your face. Okay. Number 1, and this is a micellar water. This is a daily cleansing 30ml and this will cost £4.80. This clear formula consists of tiny spherical molecules called micelles, which the micellar molecule makes skin contact. They act like small magnets that methodically draw out impurities. Enriched with turmeric, this micellar water also firms and calms the skin as well as keeping it moisturised. To remove makeup or impurities, soak a cotton pad with the solution, hold it over your closed eye for a few seconds, then gently wipe away. It's got a light scent, but nothing too much. That's that worm. That will not last me 5 minutes. Not that size. And the last item we have is a BDK. Let's have a smell. You can get this at selfridges.com. You might kid him when box size of this. Why didn't I just put this in? Never mind. Let's have a little spray. I do like these, to be fair, and I do carry them around in my tiny handbags. Get any out. Actually, that's quite nice. I do like that. That is really nice. I do like that. It doesn't give a price though, so I have no idea how much this might cost. It smells expensive though, if that makes any sense whatsoever, but it's absolutely stunning. That would definitely be on my Christmas list. So I look forward to trying that and finishing it. Okie dokie, my lovelies, that is the end of this cohorted box. Please leave your comments down below. What did you think? I am not keen on, as I said before, one branded whole box. I've not heard of Verso before. I don't know whether you guys have, whether you think it's any good. I'll use it because I've got it, but it's not something that I probably would go out and buy, especially at some of the prices. Very, very expensive. The box value this month, over £300, is wow. It's just absolutely amazing. I do prefer the mixed boxes when we get a bit of this and a bit of that. I just find that I use that more than I will a whole brand of stuff. Because generally people have got things on the go, and at the moment I've got the Charlotte Tilbury on the go, which obviously I want to finish before I start diving into this. So, you know, I can't really tell you whether it works or not, but I will let you know as I'm going along whether it's making any difference, or you guys might actually see a difference to my face. Who knows? Anyway, that's it for now. Please take care of yourselves. Don't forget, if you like these kind of videos, to please subscribe to my channel, and I will speak to you in the next video. Please take care for now. See you later. Bye.